Alright, if you are a novice in AutoCAD or you think AutoCAD only deal with architectural drawing, then you are in the right place. First of all, let me first introduce myself. My name is Mr. Odd, and we provide you with AutoCAD tutorials. Firstly, we are going to deal with a round donut wrapped with a plate with a cup placed on it. So I'm going to be fast with you. I don't want to waste time talking. So I'm going to do it stage by stage. We are going to do it. Stage 1 is going to be with a donut. Stage 2 is going to be placing an eyes on it. Stage 3 is going to be putting a cup plate on it. Then stage 4 is going to be adding cups into it. Then stage 5, final rendering. This course is long if you are really concentrated and really honestly get it. So if you had, I'm using D15. If you are using any other version, honestly it's going to do the same thing. If you are opening AutoCAD, this is what you are going to deal with 3D modeling. And I'm going to deal with not inches because if you are dealing with architectural drawing metric. When you go to open metric, so I want to move this, so you type USC con to remove
the origin. So when I remove the origin, view on
the same discord, which is just going to just deal with the metric first. So these are the things you are going to see. And you're going to see, I like AutoCAD, you don't need to search for what you are looking for, you type it. Like now, I'm going to type move and mouse. And you click on it, and you can anywhere you want to. Another thing to look at is the visualization, the way you look at it on shaded iframe, because this is one we are going to be using most of the time. I'm not sure I'm going to use to skin the size you want to increase it by 2. You type 2 and you increase it. We're going to look at the width visualize, whether you want to see vertical place. This is 3. Add it in 4. Press B, which a lot of things. So I'm just going to leave it as. So another important thing we're going to just the auto is put it on. What it takes us is that this movement and on the object and click enter is going to be whether in Y direction, X direction, or any that to do. Okay, and this important one before I end the program. The orbit evolve around, but when I like use it, I just click down my shift button, then hold my middle mouse, then I can rotate it to any to rotate it. I often decide this. You want to see it in big form, you can see. You want to see front view, you can see it rather than just going to here and don't know. So now just if you leave it back to trick form and leave it to wow. What I want to do before I leave it, just is because this is what you are going to use in most match when you use and command
rather than moving the home button.
Shift going to the form just like an object because it is in, or you can go to button, then click on the move button, then you can move the side. In fact, you can move all the to any direction you want to do, and you want to see the you can make then look at it in shaded, and you can at least it's just something that is actually. So thank you for your time. I would like if you are on my channel, comment on what you do, and also you can follow me on Facebook page. If I do like a design, I'd like you guys to design it and paste it on my Facebook, just like I appreciate that, because I know that my teeth in vain. And once this video, you can make then look at it in shaded, and you can at least it's just something that is actually. So thank you for your time. I would like if you are on my channel, comment on what you do, and also you can follow me on Facebook page. If I do like a design, I'd like you guys to design it and paste it on my Facebook, just like I appreciate that, because I know that my teeth in vain. Like a design, I'd like you guys to design it and paste it on my Facebook, just like I appreciate that, because I know that my teeth in vain.